everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Alright, so the package I was talking about that I was looking for, it finally arrived. Gonna show you what's in it. It was that Mary Maxim bag. That was a big bag. I wasn't really expecting it to be that big. So I've actually pulled everything out because it was kind of really squished in there, which I wasn't all that happy with, and some of the labels were ripped off and, you know, bunched up, but that's all right. It's not that big of a deal. As long as the yarn is still good, that's okay. And it looks like it is. All right, so I ordered all the same yarn, but in 3 different colorways. And I ordered 8 of each. All right, so this video has something to do with you guys. There's going to be a giveaway, but this is not the giveaway video. All right, there'll be a separate video for that. I just want to show you, and if you're interested, maybe you'll like to enter on the giveaway video that will be coming soon. But right now, I just want to show you what's in here and talk about it with you. All right, so this is Mary Maxim. It's called Super Soft. And it's variegated yarn. Okay, let's see what it says here. Mary Maxim Super Soft. It is a 72% acrylic and 28% polyester. It's 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 350 yards in one, 320 meters. Made in China, and it's a medium 4. And this colorway is called Summer Sky. There's a bit of a halo. See that fuzziness? It's a bit of a halo. And when they call it super soft, it really is. It's super soft, it's squishy, it is very nice. Now I don't know what it's like to work with because there's a halo. It may snag a bit, so if you need to frog, piece of fuzz. If you need to frog, it might be a little difficult. So let's see, does this look like Summer Sky? I think it does. With these blues, and if you go inside of the ball, there's darker blues, and there's some light pinkish, and there's light blues, and that may be, yeah, there's kind of different shades of blues, mostly blues it appears, and then there's, you know, the pinkish. Yeah, it's quite pretty, I think. What do you think? Summer Sky. All right, so, oh, what did I pay for these? This Mary Maxim is Canadian. They're here in Canada, and I also live in Canada. So this is Canadian funds, $5.99 each. $5.99 each. And like I said, there's 100 grams, 350 yards. And it's a medium 4. So yeah, I got 8 of this color and 8 of all the 3 colors. So let's look at the second color. All right, so the second color is, let's go here. See these labels squished up? Yeah. All right, so the second color, it's all the same stats. The second color is called Silks. And this has purples. It has blues. And then inside it's got some, oh, I don't know, tanny colors here. There's some pinks. What else do we have here? I think, oh, there's more purple in there. Tanny colors, pinks. Yeah, so that's, I think that's all the colors in this one. So what do you think of this one? I think so far they're very pretty. What do you guys think? If you think they're ugly, let me know. Like, or say you don't care for them. I don't know. But yeah, so that is the second color. And then, so I got 8 of those as well. And then this next one, I think I went a little crazy on these, getting 8 of each one. But this is the next one. And these, okay, this is the colors. And these they had in a plastic bag. All the other ones were loose in that big bag I showed at the beginning of the video. So this one is called Sands. Sands. And so there's this like a goldy, no, well, goldy sand color, I guess. And then there's kind of a browny color. It's really hard to explain because there's so many different colors these days. And then there's this, oh, I don't know what. It's kind of pinkish, but not really. All right, so let's dig in here. All right, ooh, there's some of that brighter pinkish color in here. Browns. Does this remind you of sand? Yeah, so those are the colors. Okay, so which is your favorite out of these 3 colorways? The sands, the summer sky, or the silks? The silks have the purples. Yeah. So yeah, that's the video. That's the video. Lots of yarn, but it's just 3 different colorways. Tell me your favorite, and some of these yarns are gonna go in a giveaway. So that video will probably go up tomorrow, which is Friday. The date tomorrow is the 18th. So Friday, February 18th, 2022, there'll be a giveaway video for some of this. Alrighty, so thank you so much for joining me, and have a blessed day. Oh, sorry, that's Setta's. That's Setta's line. Life is what you make it, and so is yarn. That's my line. All right, you guys take care. Have a wonderful day. Oh, since I mentioned Setta, I will put her link below, of course, anytime I mention a channel. So you go check her out. She's awesome. She's a yarny sis. And yeah, all right. I'll see you guys later. Bye.